Dear audience, this is a practice exam for CISCO SMBE 700-750 practice quiz for module number 7. So what is the module number 7? It's about implementing smart IT. So the first question could be related to some data visualization. So the first question is, which data visualization tool is least effective? So the keyword least must be like, remember, for identifying trends and patterns. So pie chart, scatter plot, time series, and spreadsheet with the raw data. I think the last could be the answer. Yes, D. Raw data is like, meaningless. Second, how does Cisco Secure X benefit SMBs? So out of these four options, the answer is Secure X helps SMBs protect their system and data, and crucial aspect of the security. Number three, which cross-selling strategy is unlikely to appeal to the budget-conscious SMBs? Yes, the answer could be C. Prestige offer less value than the cost-effective, cost-saving, and practicality for budget-conscious SMBs. So there is a keyword prestige. How can CX Cloud contribute to increase customer satisfaction in the retail industry? So out of these four, the answer is analyzing feedback and personality marketing directly improve customer satisfaction in retail. The fifth question is, what is the key factor for successfully implementing smart solution in different industries and verticals? The answer is adapting solution to the industry specific challenges and data insights ensure effective implementation. Here is a bonus question for you. Describe one specific feature or service offered by your company that helps SMBs leverage data-driven insight to improve their business operation. Well done. See you in the next quiz for section 8.